So what we're going to do in this short video is explain very simply how we find Skype usernames, save them, save their profiles, and then select specific Skype users that we can send our messages to. The first thing we do is we type into the pattern box here a name. So first of all we'll add the name Sue, just as an example. Then we'll add the name Bob and add that to the list up here, and then we'll add the name Tony. So we're going to search for 3 names in the Skype user base. So we click the word search here, and Message Magic will now go to search for the name Bob. See how many results it comes back with. As you can see here, it found 192 separate records with the name Bob in the username. It won't find all of the usernames with the name Bob in, because remember there are over 500 million Skype users, and that would be far too many. So it usually finds between 150 and 200. Now it's searching for usernames with the name Sue in the title. And it's found 192 usernames with the name Sue. Now it's going to finally search for the name Tony. And this time round it's found 210 records with the name Tony in the Skype username. So in total we have nearly 600 Skype users whose usernames have been found with these particular names in the search pattern. So the next thing we want to do is we want to select all of them by clicking this button here. They're all now checked, and then we want to save their profiles. And we're going to do this in a text format called CSV, or comma separated version. And we're going to give it a file name, and we'll call it UK user test number 1. I'm using this name because I'm based in the UK. You could use this if you're based in the United States, Australia, or any other country for searching for specific users in your country or even in your city. I'll save that file now, and that's now saved onto my computer. What I'll do now is I'll bring up my spreadsheet program, which in my instance is Microsoft Excel. I'll now open that file that I've just saved, which is here. And here are all the usernames of all of those people that I've just selected. Now remember, they're based all around the world, as you can see here: United States, New Zealand, Canada, France, Japan, and so on. So I want to sort these into order now. So I'll select the entire spreadsheet, and I'm going to sort this data into country order. There's country. I click OK, and now all of the countries are listed in alphabetical order. Now what I want to do, because I'm based in the UK, I want to select out all the United Kingdom contacts. I'm just going to highlight their usernames. In fact, that's what I need more than anything else. I know that all these people are based in the UK. There they all are. I'm now going to copy those and paste them into a new spreadsheet. Now I have all of these UK users, and I've managed to find 100 of them, a nice round figure. What I shall do now is save this file, and I will call it UK users test 3, and remember to save it in the right version, which is the comma separated version, and there it is. So it's UK users test 3. I've saved it as that. So what I need to do now is I need to find that comma separated file by loading users. So I find the file, and here it is, UK users test 3. I open it, and here are the users being loaded now, as we see. So here are all the users that I saved. Remember, they're all UK users. I'm going to select them all once again, and this time I'm going to send every single one of these people one message, Message Magic will send the same message to all of these people very simply. So I have a message already crafted here, which I'll just copy and paste into the message box here. And this is the message that I've written. Hi there, my name's Phil, and I'm just looking to add Skype users who are based here in the UK. Please would you kindly add me to your list? Many thanks. And what I will do now is I will click the Add Contacts button, and this message will go out to all of these people with the click of my mouse. And that is very simply how you send the same message to hundreds or thousands of Skype users at the same time, asking to be added as a contact. Remember, we don't send a message now, we haven't got permission to interact with them yet, but Skype does allow us to add them as contacts, and some of these people will want to have us as a contact on their list. So that's a brief explanation of how the profiles feature works with Message Magic, and just in a few moments we'll be explaining how you can send this message to many people in other languages too. This is also a very powerful feature of the software, so stay tuned. Another powerful feature of the new Message Magic software is the ability to send a message to people who speak other languages with the Auto Translate feature. I'm just going to very briefly demonstrate how this works. Once we have a user saved, we'll load their contact by clicking on Load Contacts. I have a user saved in this section, Multilingual Chat. I'll click OK, and it will load my user who speaks Spanish into the Message Magic software. I'll now select him. I will now type a message into this box here, which I've already got pre-crafted. There's my message. Hi Bob, it's Phil here in the UK. How are you today? I hope the family are doing well. Then I'll click on the Translate To option, which is just here. I'll then select the language of Spanish. And there it is. And automatically Message Magic translates my message into Spanish. Maybe not perfect Spanish, but good enough for Bob to understand. Then all I need to do is click Send Message, and that message will be sent to Bob in a language that he understands. So if you develop contacts around the world who don't speak your language, this is a very powerful feature that Message Magic will give you to help you to promote whatever you're promoting online in a successful way with people who speak other languages.